If you've ever tried to zip up a suitcase that's one hoodie away from exploding, you already know the struggle. Travel is supposed to feel freeing, but packing can feel like a game you're always losing, especially when bulky clothes, jackets, or towels steal half your luggage space. That's why travel vacuum storage bags have become one of my favorite packing upgrades to recommend. The concept is simple. You put your clothes inside, seal the bag, remove the air, and the bulk shrinks down so you can fit more without changing your suitcase. And now, a lot of sets include a portable electric pump, which makes the whole process faster, especially when you're repacking mid-trip. In this video, I'm breaking down 7 of the best travel vacuum storage bags, including options that come with an electric pump, plus a few that are better for home storage or closet organization. And quick note, I'm not going to claim I personally tested these. Instead, I'm using the product specs, materials, design choices, and real-world travel use cases, because the little details, like zipper quality and valve design, are what decide whether these are awesome or a total headache. Alright, let's rank them from number 7 to number 1. Kicking off the list is Tiley, but this one is different. These are hanging vacuum storage bags, and the focus is less pack your suitcase and more organize and protect your wardrobe. You get a combo set with 3 long bags and 3 short bags, sized for hanging items like jackets, suits, and coats. The big advantage is wrinkle control. Hanging storage means your clothes are stored vertically, so they're less likely to get crushed, folded into awkward shapes, or permanently creased. Tiley also includes a double color changing zipper, which is a smart feature because you can visually see if the bag is fully sealed. And the valve is cap-free, which helps solve one of the most annoying long-term issues, losing the valve cap, and suddenly your bags are less reusable. The main limitation is that this is designed to work with a regular vacuum cleaner, not a travel electric pump. So for flights and road trips, I see this more as a closet organization win than a travel first choice. But if you store coats or formal wear and you want dust-proof, waterproof protection, it's very solid. At number 6 is SUOCO, a practical set for people who want both travel and home storage coverage. You get 8 bags total across sizes, jumbo, large, medium, and small, and it includes an electric pump, which makes compression faster and more consistent. This kind of mixed-size pack is useful if you're storing bedding, towels, or off-season clothes, but also want to bring a few bags for travel. SUOCO uses rip-resistant material and a sealing system built around a triple-seal turbo valve, plus a double-zip seal, which is exactly what you want if you're trying to keep air from creeping back in. What I like here is that it's positioned as an essential for travel and home set. If you're moving, staying in a dorm, reorganizing a closet, and also packing for trips, this gives you enough flexibility to cover multiple scenarios. At number 5, Cozy Essential is one of the best complete kit options on this list. You get 12 bags in multiple sizes, small, medium, large, and jumbo, and it includes a rechargeable cordless electric pump. This is a big deal for travelers, because the true value of vacuum bags isn't just compressing at home, it's being able to recompress during your trip, especially on the return journey when nothing folds neatly anymore. A cordless pump makes that quick, and it cuts down on the frustration of manual rolling. Cozy Essential also emphasizes protection. The bags use PA plus PE material and a seal system that includes a triple seal turbo valve and double zip seal, designed to keep things airtight and protected from dust and general damage. If you're storing bedding or seasonal clothing, this is also a strong home organization set. The only trade-off is that these bags are clearly designed for both home and travel, so they may not feel as minimal as travel-only sets. But for most people, the versatility is actually the point. At number 4 is Spacesaver, and this one is for people who prefer a simpler setup. Instead of an electric pump, you get a portable hand pump, and you get 4 large bags. This is more of a big item solution than a full wardrobe travel system. If you're packing suits, jackets, dresses, or bulkier layers, large bags make sense. The bags are described as heavy-duty and reusable, and the sealing setup includes a double-zip seal plus a triple-seal valve for airtight protection. Another benefit is that the system is compatible with any vacuum, so if you're at home, you can use your standard vacuum cleaner, and if you're traveling, you still have the hand pump as a backup. That's a practical combo. The downside is that 4 bags won't give you the same organization flexibility as 12 or 15 packs. But if your goal is compressing bulky categories and keeping them protected, Spacesaver is a strong pick. At number 3 is MEGABACK, and this one feels more like travel gear than typical storage bags. You get 2 bags, plus a tiny rechargeable wireless pump, and the big highlight is durability and waterproofing. The bags are made from IP67 waterproof TPU, and they're designed to protect your gear from moisture, dirt, and odors. That's especially valuable if you're doing outdoor travel, camping, hiking, kayaking, RV trips, or anything where your clothes might get damp or messy. Compression is described more realistically too, with clothing and soft items compressing by up to 50%, which is believable in real packing conditions. The bag size is designed to fit suitcases, but also work as a compression solution for bigger backpacks, especially 35-liter and up. I also like the privacy factor. The dark gray design conceals what's inside, which can be a subtle plus for travel. The trade-off is simple. You only get 2 bags, so this isn't a whole packing system. It's more like a premium solution for the categories that take up the most space, or for travelers who care about rugged materials and a truly portable pump. At number 2 is Vacbird, and this is the pick for travelers who want maximum organization and flexibility. You get 15 bags total, 5 small, 5 medium, and 5 large. What's interesting is that Vacbird positions the sizing as travel-tailored and claims these sizes fit well inside a 20-inch carry-on, which is exactly what a lot of people need. Instead of having a few oversized bags that fold awkwardly, you get a spread that lets you sort by category: shirts in small, pants in medium, layers in large. Vacbird also highlights thickness. It uses PA plus PE material that's described as 3x thicker than standard bags, plus a long side opening for easier loading. That long opening matters, because stuffing clothes into a small opening is how zippers get strained and seals get messy. The double zipper seal and moisture-proof coating are designed to keep items compressed longer and help with humidity. One thing I'll say, this set description doesn't emphasize an included electric pump as clearly as some others, so it may depend on your own pump or vacuum method. But purely on travel sizing and bag count, Vacbird is one of the strongest options for frequent flyers. At number 1 is VMstr, and it earns the top spot because it hits the best balance of travel-friendly design, durability, and practical sizes. VMstr uses a long side opening design, which makes loading clothes easier and helps you pack flatter and cleaner, meaning the zipper closes with less stress. The material is upgraded PA plus PE tear-proof, designed to be wear-resistant and less likely to scratch or puncture. It's rated for up to 80% space savings using a one-way valve that removes air quickly, and it includes a seal system built around a double zipper and moisture-proof coating. The brand claims your clothes can stay dry for up to 180 days, which suggests it's designed for both travel and longer storage. And the bag size mix is excellent for luggage. 4 small, 4 medium, 4 large. That makes it easy to separate and compress without wasting space or forcing awkward folds. If you want the most reliable, buy once and pack better option, VMstr is the cleanest all-around choice. Which one fits your travel style? Here's the easiest way to decide. If you want the best overall travel set, go VMstr. If you want the most bag variety and carry-on friendly organization, go Vacbird. If you're doing outdoor trips and you want rugged waterproof protection with a tiny wireless pump, go MEGABACK. If you want a full home and travel kit with a rechargeable cordless pump, go Cozy Essential. If you want large bags for bulky items and a simple portable hand pump setup, go Spacesaver. If you need a middle ground electric pump combo set for home storage plus travel use, go SUOCO. And if your priority is wardrobe storage for coats and suits, especially wrinkle control, go Taily Hanging Bags. So that's my breakdown of the 7 best travel vacuum storage bags, including options with electric pumps and travel-friendly sizing. Vacuum bags won't magically make your suitcase weightless, but they absolutely can make packing smarter, especially if you're trying to avoid checked bags or maximize space for longer trips. If you want the simplest recommendation, VMstr for the best overall balance, Vacbird for maximum organization, and MEGABACK for rugged outdoor travel. If this video helped, drop a comment and tell me how you travel, carry-on only, long-term trips, camping, cruises, because the best pick changes depending on your packing style.